Achieving a powerful design requires you to have the necessary ingredients or stock elements or design resources that are needed for that particular design. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to get quality and high definition design elements from Pinterest. Not just that, we'll also be looking at how to gain design inspiration and how to go about getting quality backgrounds from Pinterest. This tutorial is motivated by one of our subscribers who wanted to know how to get design backgrounds. So this is a tutorial that will teach you a lot more on how to go about getting your design resources from Pinterest. If you are joining us for the first time, do well to subscribe. Now, as you can see here, we already have lots of design resources showing here once you open Pinterest. Okay, I will leave the link to get Pinterest in the down description below. Check it from there and grab it. So this shield element was trending some weeks ago purposely for church flyer design. So you can see how powerful Pinterest is. It's already showing to us. Let me just click it out and you can see that we have this shield. All right, so it was trending and a lot of people were using it for their church program designs until other designers were already complaining. But that's not the purpose for this tutorial though. I want to take you first of all on how to gain or how to get your design resources. So how do you get design resources from Pinterest? This is Pinterest. You can see this search bar here. It's very helpful. So you want to click on it and you go to your search bar right here, and we're going to search for any resource at all. Right, so let me begin by searching for a particular resource. Let's say you want to design a restaurant flyer, or let's say a Burger King flyer. So you can type burger HD PNG. Now you can see that you have a lot of these kind of burger popping up for you. So look at this, right? You can make very good designs with it, and with it also comes with some designs attached to it. So you can check this. This is a design that has been achieved with this kind of burger. So you can see this is already an inspiration. All right, now how do you download this particular resource? If you want to download it, you can click these three dots to download it, all right, to use for your design. So when you click on those three dots, you will see download image, and now you click on download. It will be stored to your drive, all right, to your folders. Now if you want to have similar elements like this burger, you just want to click here. There are two buttons here. All right, let me just show you. There are two buttons here. So there is this one button, there is this also. So if you want to get similar elements like this burger, what you need to do is just to click here. So once you click here, it will show you similar elements to this burger. Now I believe you can see. So this is also a powerful way that you can get similar elements when looking for design elements on Pinterest. This button is very powerful. It can help you to gain similar design elements. All right, so that's that for burger. Okay, let's say we want to search for another element. All right, let's search for 3D cartoon. So sometimes you see 3D cartoon on designs, and I see a lot of people asking questions, how can I get this image? So you go to Google and you type 3D cartoon, search. So you can see a lot of them are popping up, guys. So look at this. You can actually use this in designs. I think I used one here for my design some time ago. This one I use it for a design. So you can see these are others. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. So if we want to get similar, like I told you, you just need to click here and similar elements will show up for you. So look at this. Okay, this can go very well for maybe some kind of kids designs. All right, We also have this one here. Okay, look at this one. So we have a lot of them. This one also. Okay, similar ones. So what happens with Pinterest is once you click a particular image, it allows you to get similar ones just below, so you can always be checking below here to see similar images that are related to it. Okay, we can also search for search for another element. Let's say icons, or let's just say we can use 3D rockets. So sometimes you see in business flyers, this is also another design resource that people always ask for. Okay, people always ask for this. So you can see this. Let's zoom into, we can have similar ones showing up for us. So you can see rockets, 3D rockets are very good for business flyers that illustrate growth. Okay, now I remember we're using the search bar here, okay, to get this. Now that we have gotten how to get our stock elements, how can we also get backgrounds? So the next thing is how to get backgrounds using Pinterest. Okay, on backgrounds, it's just the same keyword. Now we're going to search. Consider you want to design a church flyer, so you just go to church flyer background, church flyer design background. So you can see the prompts are there already here, so we can search for backgrounds. So you see this, I think I did a design with this. Okay, our ever trending shield is here also, so you can see these are all backgrounds. They're very cool backgrounds that you can use to achieve your design project as far as church programs are concerned. So we have this also. All right, okay, so let's go back to the search bar, and now I want to show you something. Now once you begin to type church, let's just say church, let me just remove the background yet. So let me just say church flyer. So you begin to see the prompt. So you see church flyer ideas, you have church flyer design graphics, church flyer design templates. So we have gotten how to get backgrounds. So let's download one of these backgrounds. Okay, let's search for a good background here, and let's search for one background here and download. I want a background here that I can use for a design someday. Okay, good. So I'm going to download this one. So in order to download it, you want to click here and you see download image, so it will be downloaded and stored. Okay, and that's for church backgrounds. So you can also search depending on the flyer you're working with. Let's say laundry flyer background. So you see the backgrounds have all these are for laundry. Look at this one, guys. Very cool and sharp backgrounds that you can use for laundry flyer designs. All you need to know is the keyword, know what you're searching for, and it will be very easy for you. Okay, so another powerful thing you can do with Pinterest is to get design inspiration. So we are going to search for birthday design inspiration. This is basically how you can use Pinterest to get inspired for your designs. So let's just check for one birthday design here that is really standing out. Look at this. This is coming from Gideon Fash graphics design, or Gideon Fash Designs. Shout out to you, Gideon Fash. This is a design you did and it's inspiring us today. So you can see These are all birthday designs. They can inspire you, to check on the way the designers who did this position, the kind of text they use, the kind of color composition they use. That is all what inspiration is all about. So from the way they use their colors, from the way they place their elements, you can also know how to go about your own, because the principles of graphic design are universal. They are the same all over. So you can always follow inspirations from Pinterest by searching for your keyword. You can search birthday design inspiration. So let's also check for church flyer design inspiration. And here we are with a lot more other church program flyers. We have this Thanksgiving service, so you can see related images here. All right, now what happens if you see a particular element in a design and you want to get that particular element? So this is also very important, guys. So let me just check for one design that has a particular element, and we also want to have that particular element. How do you go about this? How can you get that element? All right, so let's say we have this design here, and you want to get the fruit. Oh my god, you want to get this fruit basket. How do you go about it? So like I said, what you need to do is to click here. All right, when you click here, you are going to crop out the section that you want to have. Okay, let's just crop out this, and you can see this is the same element here. Okay, this is the same element here. Now from here you can download it by clicking on your three dots. Click on your three dots. So this is also, I see a lot of designers also always asking question, oh, I see this element, how can I go about it? How can you get it? So this is the easiest way to get it, especially if that design is from Pinterest. Okay, so guys, this is how you can get your design resources, the stock elements, how you can get your backgrounds, and also how you can get inspired from Pinterest. Not just that, also how you can get particular elements. Let me just go with that again here. Let's say we want this hand. How can you get this hand? You can easily click here on this button. Then you will have to now crop out the section you believe you want. Okay, so let's crop it out. So in cropping it out also, you have to be very careful. Crop it exactly the way you want. Okay, so you see this is it here, same hands, everything. Okay, so this is it here. Now this is very simple always to achieve, but you have to follow the rules. And like I said, graphic design principles are universal, and once you are inspired on Pinterest, I believe you can come out with a very cool and nice design for your next project. So guys, that's it. I'm hoping to be seeing you in our next tutorial, but until then, do well to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. We love you all. Stay blessed, and see you in the next tutorial.